Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the Christmas break to cartoon effect and animated 3D cartoon versions of yourself bursting through a Christmas newspaper headline page. It's super fun and super festive, and you can make it in just a few taps. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Pixverse, and then next, just you can use the websites, or if you prefer the app version, just download it from the Play Store and then just open it. And then next, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Pixverse will give you a free daily credits so you can generate animations without paying anything. And then next, once you're inside the Pixverse, just go to template sections. This one, just tap on it. And then next, just go to Merry Christmas tab. This one, like this. And then inside this tab or in this category, just search for the template that called Xmas front page karma. This one, just tap on it. And then next, just simply tap on use template. This is the template that creates the 3D cartoon animations where your character breaks through a Christmas newspaper front page like this. It's perfect for creative reels or maybe holiday greetings. And then next, just upload your photo. Just upload the photo that you want to transform or that you want to edit. And then make sure you use a clear portrait photo where your face is visible, because this will help the Pixverse generate a cleaner 3D cartoon. Just choose your photo, and then after that, just simply hit on create. This one, it will take 20 credits. Just tap on it, and then go back, and then go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this, your Christmas cartoon versions that breaking to the newspaper headline page is ready. It's complete with cute 3D animations and a great effect like this. Honestly, this effect looks amazing. It feels vibrant and perfect for Christmas posts or maybe creative TikToks, edits, or Instagram reels. And I think the animation feels smooth and the 3D cartoon styles is super eye-catching. It's really incredible. And okay, that's it. That's how you can create the Christmas break to cartoon effect using Pixverse. It's completely free and super easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.